I hate mornings.
Hey, so I'm on the advisory council for my apartment complex, and we have to throw programs for residents a lot. And today's program is coming up soon. I guess I'll see you then. Hey guys! So, a little late in the day, it's like 3 now, but we're doing a Chinese New Year festival for our apartment complex. And she's part of planning it. There's a lion head behind me. And I guess we'll get back with updates throughout this. Thank you, Krista. This is great. Okay, so we're finishing up setup now. I'm gonna do like a tour of some of our decorations. We have a drum. Thank you. And these. Do it. Oh, I vlog now. Say hi, guys. And they're practicing for the lion dance outside. It's kind of awesome. Authentic Chinese food. So apparently we only have like 10 cups, and there's like 50 people in line. I'm here. So we're trying to check our RA closet to see if there's any more. It's a no-go on the cups, and check out our line. Oh dear. Okay, so line is super crazy, and because I'm one of the people on the programming planning committee, I don't actually probably gonna get food. So back in my apartment now to grab some dinner real fast, and then go back and see all the performances, which I will definitely try to include in this vlog.
Okay,
Ring it, ring it. We're starting the performances soon. And now, Krista and Sabra and myself are all doing Hurricanes hockey game. So I'll include a clip of that. Pit stop for Girl Scout cookies. Girl Scout cookies. We're off to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Well, we may or may not get tickets to that line, though. We got in and we got bobbleheads. We got super crazy fancy seats. They come with an in-seat service menu. What the heck? Hey, so we lost the game, and now we're doing a little bit of shopping. And oh, okay. And I bought bobbleheads. Oh, but bobbleheads. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because, well, to be honest, my phone's dying. So, I guess end the vlog? End the vlog. End the vlog. Bye!